and this looks gorgeous on my 1440p monitor mini LED. Welcome back everybody, welcome to this video. So some of our subscribers are requesting MFG or 6 times MFG for RE Requiem on any GPU. Our subscribers know that we are able to use this in our GPUs, RTX 3060 for example, that I have, or RX 580, wherever your graphics card. So if your graphics card supports DX12, it will work. Now I'm in RE Requiem as you can see, and I'm using path tracing with performance, DLSS, and the resolution is 1440p. Of course the experience will be like this, but if I just go to settings or options, as you can see here, I can enable DLSS FG or multi FG even if I have an RTX 3060. So let's enable this. Let's back to the menu, wait for it to load, and as you can see, I'm using now 4 times MFG, and this looks gorgeous on my 1440p monitor mini LED. As you can see, now it's 6 times, and it's so smooth. If you are playing with controller, you are not going to feel that latency. Okay, that's amazing. When you play using controller, the experience are going to be so better, so much better. We can shoot, do everything. There is some ghosting. To fix ghosting, you have to enable Ghost Booster. And we have here stats bar to see our stats. You can save from here. You can use options like the ones that comes with the RTX 50 series. Now let's move to how to add this mod to your game. Okay, we are in the desktop, and what you have to do, of course, downloading the files from our website, then extract, go here, copy this, go to the game main folder, and paste the first one. Now try to launch your game. It may take long to go, but wait for it, as you can see, and we are in the game. This has to be here, RE framework, and compile your shaders, do wherever you want. Now let's exit the game, go to this, copy the XGI, go back again to the game main folder, launch the game. Okay, now DLSS enabler is working. Let's say thank you for Arthur for this mod. DLSS enabler is an amazing mod. Because of this mod, we can enable 6 times MFG on our GPUs. Now let's update the Streamline. Go here, copy those to the game folder and replace. Let's launch the game for the last time. Okay, nice. Now we go to the graphics. Let's disable path tracing because it's so intensive. To get a good experience with this mod, it's better to get 60 frames base frame rate. Let's go. Nice, we are here. As you can see, now we are using 4 times MFG, and it looks amazing, really amazing, because we have a good base frame rate. The ghosting is so much better. Now if you want to use 6 times MFG, if you press this key in your keyboard, this menu will be opened, and here in the MFG override, you can override it to 6 times. Now we are going from 30 frames to around 200, which is my monitor refresh rate, so it looks amazing now for me. Unfortunately in YouTube you cannot see more than 60 frames, but the experience is amazing. If you have ghosting, you have to enable Ghost Booster. It's an option here, so you can use dynamic FG wherever you want. It's back to you. To enable stats bar, you can enable it here and save changes from this, and it's working. If you want support, you can join my Discord server. I will be there to help you. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you in the next one.